Good morning, dear children. In the previous class, we started with Geography Chapter 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. We studied the meaning of natural vegetation. We also studied about virgin vegetation and the factors affecting the vegetation. I hope you all have gone through the chapter in the book and tried to understand in more detail. Then we studied the different factors affecting the flora and fauna. Today we are going to start with 5 different types of vegetation found in our country and also the climatic conditions in these vegetation, studying in more detail about the different types of trees and also the animal life found in these different 5 types of vegetation. We will also be discussing the necessity to conserve the flora and fauna. So, the first type of vegetation, first of all, let's have a quick look at the 5 different types of vegetation. First, tropical evergreen forests. Second, tropical deciduous forests. Third, tropical thorn forests and scrubs. Fourth, montane forests. And fifth, mangrove forests. So this is, children, the map of natural vegetation of India, which is very important and it comes also in the exam. It's given in your book. You can refer your NCERT textbook for learning and practicing. Now, the first type of forest is tropical evergreen forests. These forests are also called tropical rainforests. 12% of India is covered with these forests, and these are found in Western Ghats, both groups of islands, that is Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, upper parts of Assam and some parts of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Odisha. These areas, they are warm and wet almost throughout the year. And children, do you know the height of the trees? It goes up to 60 meters and they all are creepers and bushes. So children, these are the characteristics of tropical evergreen forests. Further, vegetation occur in multi-layered structure and there is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaves. As such, these forests appear green all the year round. Children, why there is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaves, or we can simply say why the trees they don't shed their leaves? The simple reason is because there is rainfall throughout the year, as annual rainfall is 200 centimeters. So it keeps the vegetation green all through the year and the trees does not shed their leaves in any of the season. And the plants which are found here are ebony, mahogany, cinchona, rubber and rosewood. These are the different plants which are found in this tropical evergreen forest. And the animals which are found here are bats, lemur, elephants, monkeys, scorpions. So these you can see it, all these are the animals which are found in these tropical evergreen forests. Then the second type of forest is tropical deciduous forest. These cover around 64% of total forested areas of India. So these type of forests, they are found in 64% of the forest areas which are found in India. They are also called monsoon forests. And the annual rainfall here is 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. The trees of these forests, they shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. Further, this type of forest is divided into two: moist deciduous forests and dry deciduous forests. And first we'll see what do we mean when we say moist deciduous forest. These type of forests, they are found in areas where rainfall is between 100 centimeter and 200 centimeter, and they cover almost 34% of country's forested areas. They are mainly found in the eastern part of India, like northeastern states, along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa and Chhattisgarh. They are also found on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Now, the trees which are found here: Arjun, Shisham, Kher, Mulberry, Sandalwood, etc. So, children, you can go through it. These are the different trees, the different plants which are found here in this monsoon forest. Then comes the dry deciduous. The dry deciduous forests are found where the rainfall is 70 centimeter and 100 centimeter, and they cover almost 30% of the country's forested areas. They are found in the rainier parts of the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And the flora and fauna, that is the plant life and the animal life which are found in this dry deciduous forest, are these. You can go through it, like sal, peepal, neem, teak, etc. Now, the third type of forest is the thorn forests and scrubs. These forests cover around 5% of total forested area of the country, which means these are found in very less percentage. They grow in those regions where rainfall is less than 70 centimeter. And this type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of India, for example, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh,